Good day, everyone. My name is Salia, and also known as Ite. This is my TikTok shop. It's called Ite's Mini Shop. As you can see on my showcase, a lot of products are connected to pets. Because my category po ay pet supplies. Yes, I chose pet supplies as my category here on TikTok. Yeah. And because I love pets, I have 5 cats and 1 dog. So, ayan po, binabrowse ko po para sa inyo. Para kung mayroon po kayong kailangan dyan, pili na lang po kayo. Click na lang po. And then, yan. Maraming salamat po. Thankful ako kay God dahil binigyan niya ako ng ibang tao na order sa akin showcase. Kasi may order din po ako dito. Yan. Maraming salamat. Please kindly visit my shop. And if there's anything you want, pili na lang po kayo. And if you want something else, sabi lang po kayo, i-add ko po sa showcase ko. Maraming salamat po. Thanks for your precious time. God bless us all. Bye!